How to download Roblox on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install and download Roblox on your Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Play Store on your phone. And once you're inside the Play Store, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen and you'll be prompted to the search section. From here, you simply have to tap on the search bar at the top and search for the Roblox. And here on the search result, you simply need to tap on the Roblox, and once you see the interface like this, simply tap on install button. And once you do that, the installation process will start. Now you just have to wait for some time for the installation to complete, and once the installation finishes, you can simply tap on play to launch the app. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.